All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course, and we're still doing our malaria training CovNets module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, yesterday, you recall, we had a hiccup with the compiling process, and today was pretty much some of the same. It's still taking very long. So, yeah, it is the GPU versus the CPU issue. So, we're going to have to work around what we have to work around. But I did manage to run or compile everything yesterday, and then we still ran into an error. So let's read what was going on. So when we run a model like this, the way it will throw an error because our training data set and valid data set have different shapes. So our training data set has a shape of a 224 by 3, and our valid data set had a shape of none, and 3. So it was throwing an error saying that it wasn't incompatible or wasn't sequential. So we did end up fixing that. Let me show you how we fixed it. So to fix this, we will make sure that everything we do for the trained data set, we do for the valid data set. This will ensure that our trained data set and valid data set have the same pre-processing. We will also do the same thing for the test data set. See line 76 through 81 for updated code. So let's go ahead and go up there and look at that now. So you can see here everything that we're doing for the training data set with the mapping and the resize and the rescaling is going to change everything to 224 by 3. So we have to do the same thing for the valid data set and the same thing for the test data set. This way we ensure that all three of them have the same size or the same shape. So when everything gets compiled, there is no insequential or no miscommunication between the three data sets, and everything should run properly. Yeah, so now that everything is updated, we have been training for a while, and we noticed that we are getting very poor results. Another thing we can do to make the debugging faster is take off the validation data equals valid data set. I didn't get around to doing that part yet because again, it is going to take very long to compile this the way it is using our CPU. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compile it once I log off or once I stop recording the video because I'm not going to record myself compiling the hour-long code here. So once I do everything, I compile everything and make sure everything's working properly with no errors and no bugs, I will do another video. Of course, I'm going to do another video tomorrow with the update to make sure everything is going good. So that's where we are right now with that. There's nothing pretty much else we can do. You know, with the CPU versus the GPU is a hardware issue, it's not a software issue. So there's nothing we can really fix about that. So that's that. And of course, I did do my math course today. So yesterday we went over the gradients as I showed you. That was the gradient information, and today we went over the Jacobians. So this is all my Jacobian information here. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to keep on doing that in between my TensorFlow and my artificial intelligence course, and I will keep you guys posted every step of the way. And we will post updates tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm not going to say hopefully, we should have everything fixed and up and running smoothly with the TensorFlow by tomorrow. And of course, I will keep you guys posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.